Hi friends, I hope you are all doing fantastic today. So, on the day that I recorded this, it was a little noisy in the house, and we were having a new security system installed into the house, so it was really noisy, but it didn't sound that noisy to me in real time. So I decided to just, mute myself here and just do a voiceover because you just too much bleed over. Anyway, what I'm talking about here is I'm doing a half and half coaster today. So I'm going to do half pink, like a creamy pink, and the other half is going to be with clear with gold flakes in it. So basically I'm just talking about what I'm working with. So I have some pink and white paste. I'm also going to be using some of my cast and craft in the pink part. And then I've got some gold flakies that I'll be throwing in there as well. And yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. right, friends. These are all nicely cured. I'm so excited. I did bring down my Deco Color paint pen. This is the gold one, to edge these coasters, but I'm so excited to see what they look like. Okay. And there you go. Wow. It's got like some depth to it as well, like right here. This is what the back side looks like. So not as pretty. And there is, I guess that's some of the casting craft on the bottom that had not mixed in all the way. So I think I'll go for this being the top side. But man, that's pretty. Okay. Next up. Again, I really like this like sloping effect. I'm hoping you guys can see that as well as I can. Oh, they're so pretty. What do you guys think? I think the pink is just a smidge too bright. That's not exactly what I was wanting in the pink. But since it was my first try, I'm not too mad at it, actually. It's actually quite a bit brighter in person than it looks on camera. I guess I'll show you guys the back. Yeah, it's the same with the speckles, so yeah, I like this side better. I am going to need to sand down these edges because they're a little raised because I didn't fill the molds all the way. But I'm going to add my gold leafing around the edges and probably a little bit around the top as well. So definitely stay tuned for the glamour shots. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like content like this, please stick around by clicking the subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Also, please hit that like button. It really makes me smile every time I see that number get above the one that I add to it when I upload. Take care, guys. Talk to you later.